You spend 8 hours writing a perfect script, 5 hours doing the filming stuff, and 1 whole day edit your first perfect video. Will you feel so excited to see the fruit? You go to the YouTube studio, fill in title and description, upload your perfectly customized thumbnail, and lastly, click the upload.
Day 4.
You are going back to see your video performance. Then, congratulations! Your perfect video got 20 views after 4 days. In this video, we'll be discussing how to get more views for your video or how to get more people to watch your videos. First, you must decide which type of views do you want to attract, the fast view or the sustainable views. For fast views, you can just find what's happening recently, find the big news, the trends, and just make the related videos to get 1 million views in a few days or few weeks, then stop for years. If you want this kind of uncertain views, you can do it. But if you still want the sustainable views, there's something you must take note through this video. Firstly, you must do deep research to find what topics in your niche that people search the most or feel more interested.
This is $1 million in cash. Now
you need to have an interesting topic or the good idea to really have more people watch your video. Use YouTube search bar and Google Trends as your free tools. Type your related keywords in the search bar and see what appears below. For Google Trends, choose the past 7 days and select your category. Click the YouTube search, most people miss this or don't even know. And the hot topics in your niche recently are shown. If you have installed VIQ, you can choose the trending from other creators that show you what kind of their videos are still trending now, or people still watching them even after few months or years. Also, if you have installed VIQ, there are more tools you can use, like daily ideas, keyword optimizers, etc. to find the topics with high opportunities, so I will put the link below. Next, other than deep research, the second way you can gain sustainable views is answering specific questions. Find out the question that people in your niche search the most. It doesn't matter how simple, how stupid, or how specific it is. Even it's so simple, but still got people search for it. In this era, most people will basically open YouTube on their phone and find a solution wherever they face problems. For example, look at this video from Think Media, how to turn on comments on YouTube. You may think how stupid the question is. Why got people don't know how to turn on the YouTube comments? But truth is, there are more than 830,000 views for this video and considered as one of the most viewed videos from Think Media. We go deep into the statistic. You can see the views are continue growing. Like the views per hour is 110. It will be 79,200 views in 30 days. It is still having a lot of opportunities. People still use YouTube to answer their simple and stupid questions. But someone may still think that this is just luck or something. Using the VIQ's video scoreboard, we can see the views graph. The video only gains almost 22,650 views in the first month. Do you think this is high performance? No, I don't think so. Because you look at Think Media's channel subscribers, they totally got over 2 million subs. That video is actually considered underperformance at the beginning. The 830k views is gained steadily in more than 1 year under the snowball effect, but not the overnight success. So overall, the things I want to share is no better, deep research, or answer specific questions. The main purpose is only to get sustainable views for your channel in long period of time. So the VIQ link has been put under the description. Go check it out because the tools provided is super helpful to creators to manage the YouTube channel. And last, if you want to learn more YouTube hacks, don't hesitate to give me a subscribe to grow your channel effectively.